What's up guys, ngayong araw samahan niyo ako mag-react sa isang napaka-talented na bata guys, si Hiromi Zelda. Yan. May nag-comment sa atin guys, isa sa ating mga manonood na i-react daw natin itong batang to. Tingnan natin kung gaano ka-talented at gaano kagandang boses ng batang to. Nakakagulat yung skill niya sa piano, no? Talagang plakado, intro pa lang.
I'm afraid to fly. And I don't know why.
Ganda ng boses. Grabe.
I'm jealous of the people who are not afraid to die.
Ang pagkakaalam ko si Hiromi half Japanese, half Filipino.
It's just that I recall back when I was small, someone promised that they'd catch me, and then
Iba rin yung level nito pagdating sa piano. Mukhang talagang ano sila, no? Pianista siguro yung kanyang magulang. And meron silang grand piano sa bandang likod.
let me fall, and now I'm falling fast again. Why do I always
Napaka-detalyado ng kanyang pagtipa.
take a fall when I fall in love?
Grabe, galing. Galing ng batang to. Naka-condenser mic pa siya, oh. Gamit niya condenser mic.
You think by now I've learned, play with fire, you get burned.
May nakakalam ba guys kung ilang taon na to si Hiromi? Yan, i-comment nyo lang guys sa mga nakakalam sa ating comment section.
But fire can be so warm, and that's why I return. Turn and walk away. That's what I should.
Pero may mga naririnig akong background music. Parang siguro may taga-edit siya, no? Meron din siyang mixing engineer. Parang sa Banda Mission Souls. Mini-mix.
Do. My head says go and find the door. My heart says I'll found you, and now I'm falling fast again. Why do I always take a fall?
Tingin ko marunong magbasa ng nota to. Ang batang to. Talagang yung pagtipa niya sa piano, talagang ano eh. Halatado mong professional. Yung nagturo at yung tumbatan to.
When I fall in love, it always turns out the same. Loving someone, losing myself, only got me to blame. Help me, I'm falling.
Malayo mararating nitong batang to. Napaka-talented.
Falling. Catch me if you can. Maybe this time I'll have it all, or maybe I'll make it
Ang linaw ng vocals niya.
after all. Maybe this time I won't fall.
Cute ng boses.
When I fall in love.
Grabe. Ang husay. Galing ng batang to. Grabe, hindi nga nagkamali nag-comment guys. Talagang napakagaling ng batang to. Si Hiromi Zelda. And guys, kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa kanyang channel, andyan po sa ating description yung kanyang channel. Supportahan natin at panoorin yung kanyang mga cover song na napakagaganda guys. At kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa ating channel, mag-subscribe ka na rin para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod pa nating i-react. Maraming salamat sa iyong panonood.